So hey y'all, I just made a post about assigning homework from the perspective of an engineering professor. So I thought I would then make a post about doing homework from the perspective of an engineering student. So if you have a professor who follows the model like me of giving 6 to 8 homework problems at levels 1, 2, and 3, one thing you should do to measure your ability to do the work and understand is think about if there's level 1, level 2, you ought to be able to get some of those homework assignments done on your own, right? Because if the easier problems, you don't even know where to start, that may not be a good sign boding well for the future quiz or homework. So see if you can get through the level 1 and maybe a couple of the level 2s by yourself. Then as you get to the higher levels, go to a study group, study with your friends. Then at that point, if you still can't get it, go see the professor or go to tutors, go to office hours. But you don't want to get to the point where you can't do any of your homework without help from anybody, because they're not going to be there to help you on the exam. It's okay if in the beginning you're not there, but start to develop and identify some study strategies so that eventually you can look at a problem, no clue what the answer is. I know some answers are in the back of the book, and be able to get from beginning to end, soup to nuts. If you cannot do that, what you're going to do on the test when you don't have the solution and you cannot reverse engineer yourself into the answer? I know a lot of students do have solution books for text